Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduction. My name is Rina Aminah.
My name is Siti Jana Masita.
We are from the 7th semester of the Bachelor of Midwife program.
Here we will make a video on vaginal disorder counseling for teenagers.
Enjoy watching. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Sit down please. Good afternoon there. May I know your name?
Good afternoon, midwife. My name is Farah.
How old are you?
I'm 15 years old.
10 years old. What is your religion?
I'm Muslim.
What is your ethnic background?
I'm Sudanese.
What is your education level?
I'm a senior high school student.
Do you work or study?
I'm a student.
Where do you live?
I live in Kampung Sompo, RT RW 001 or 002, Kramat Jaya Village, Banten.
Okay, thank you. May I know your mother and father's name?
My mother's name is Mr. Anissa. She is 37 years old, and my father's name is Mr. Ahmad. He is 39 years old.
What is your mother's occupation?
She is a housewife.
And your father's occupation?
He is a farmer.
What brings you here today?
I want to have my condition changed.
What kind of condition do you mean?
I've been having vaginal discharge lately.
I see. Since when have you noticed it?
About a week ago.
Do you feel any itching or odor?
Yes, sometimes it itches and has a slight smell.
Thank you for sharing, Nana Farah. We will check your condition to find out the cause and how to treat, okay?
Okay.
Alright, Nana Farah. I will ask you a few more questions about your health, okay?
Okay.
Have you ever been pregnant or had a miscarriage or childbirth before?
No, midwife. I never been pregnant or had a miscarriage.
When did you have your first menstruation?
When I was 12 years old.
How often is your menstrual cycle?
Every 28 days.
How long does it usually last?
About 6 to 7 days.
How many times do you usually change your sanitary pad in a day?
Around 3 times a day.
What is the color and texture of your menstrual blood?
It's red and watery, not clotted.
Watery.
Yes.
Have you ever had any gynecological diseases such as chills, myomas, or endometritis?
No, I haven't had any gynecological diseases.
No. How long have you been experiencing the vaginal discharge?
It's been 3 days and it feels uncomfortable.
Do you have any past or current diseases?
No, I don't have any past or common diseases, and I've never had surgery.
Have you ever had any infectious diseases?
No, I haven't.
How about your family health history? Does anyone have your heart diseases, diabetes, asthma, hypertension, hepatitis, epilepsy, or tuberculosis?
No, midwife. No one in my family has those diseases.
How do you feel your current condition?
I feel worried and anxious about it.
Okay, now let's talk about your daily habits. How many hours do you usually sleep?
I usually sleep for about 7 to 8 hours at night and take a nap for about an hour during the day.
What are your daily activity?
I have with house chores like washing, sweeping, and cleaning, and I also go to school.
How often do you urinate and defecate?
I urinate about 4 to 5 times a day. It's yellow and has a normal smell. I defecate once a day. The stool is brown with a normal odor.
How many times do you eat in a day? And what kind of food do you usually eat?
I eat 3 times a day, one plate each meal. I usually eat rice, fish, vegetables, and fruits. I don't have any food restrictions.
And how much water do you drink per day?
About 8 to 10 glasses per day.
Now, about your personal hygiene. How often do you change your underwear?
3 times a day,
How often do you take a bath?
twice a day.
Twice a day. How many times a week do you wash your hair?
3 times a week.
How often do you change your clothes?
3 times a day.
Good. Maintaining cleanliness is very important, especially to prevent vaginal discharge.
Yes, midwife, I understand.
Okay, Nona Farah. Now I will check your vital sign and physical condition. Please relax, okay?
Okay.
Your general condition looks good. You seem alert and responsive.
Yes, I feel fine, just a bit uncomfortable because of the discharge.
I see. Let's check your blood pressure.
Okay.
Okay, it's 100/70 mmHg. Your pulse is 18 beats per minute. Your breathing is 20 times per minute, and your body temperature is 36.5 Celsius. Everything looks normal.
Yes, midwife.
Okay, please here. Now I measure your height and weight. Your weight is 15 kilogram. And now I will measure your height. Okay, finish. Your height is 150 centimeter. Here, let me check your face and eyes. Vision. Your face looks clean, not pale. Your eyes symmetrical. The sclera is white and the conjunctiva is pink.
Okay, midwife.
Now, open your mouth, please. Good, no more serious. Your gums are healthy and your teeth don't have cavities. I'll examine your neck. There's no enlargement of the thyroid and lymph node, and the veins are normal.
Okay, midwife.
Your chest is symmetrical. Your abdomen is also symmetrical, no scar, no lumps, and no tenderness.
Okay, midwife.
I check your arms and legs. They look normal, no swelling or deformities.
Okay, midwife.
Now, with your permission, I'll perform an expression of genital area.
Okay.
Now, with your permission, I'll perform an infection of genital area.
Yes, midwife.
Okay, sorry. On infection, I found thick white cloudy discharge, but it's not smelly.
Okay, midwife.
Don't worry, Manukara, it looks like mild physiological discharge, but will help you improve your hygiene habits to prevent infection.
Okay, midwife.
Based on examination, you are 15 years old, adolescent girl experiencing vaginal discharge.
Okay.
We'll discuss how to take care of your genital hygiene and preventive measure later, okay?
Okay.
Alright, this can happen due to poor genital hygiene. I will explain how to take care of your genital area and how to prevent it.
Okay, midwife.
Okay. Clean your genital area every time you shower and after using the toilet with clean water. Always wipe from front to back to prevent bacteria from entering the vagina.
Okay.
Okay. Avoid using scanded feminine hygiene products because they can disturb the natural balance of the vagina.
Okay.
Wear cotton underwear, change it at least twice a day, and avoid thick clothes to keep the area dry.
Okay, midwife.
If the discharge becomes excessive, smell bad, through the greenish or chest pain, please visit a health worker immediately.
Thank you, midwife.
You're welcome. Take care of your health, okay?
Okay.
Okay, Farah, finish for check your condition.
Okay, thank you, midwife, for explaining.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thanks for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi